What's going on, everyone? Today's August the 8th, 2023. Here to reveal the fate of Palantir after its earnings release after yesterday afternoon. Trying to figure out, okay, cool. Earnings is done. The news is out. How will people portray the information? Will they think that the information is bullish or bearish? Will they begin to buy more Palantir, or will they begin to sell it to lower the price? Because currently, you guys can see it on my price prediction, that the market has gone down in Palantir since I did it. Now, I did the video on August the 2nd. Here it is, August the 8th, 6 days later, and the market in Palantir definitely has came to our area of support. So we need to make a decision. Okay, should we continue to hold on to this stock in Palantir, or should we let it go because the price did hit our area of support? When the market comes down here and grabs the support area, it literally tells us that we need to come in and reevaluate the situation. Okay. Now, I'm here to tell you that as I have evaluated the situation, if this daily price bar right here in Palantir was weakness, then we will definitely be looking for us to play the move to the downside. But seeing how the market closed off of the lows on yesterday's trading day in Palantir, it lets me know that buyers stepped in the market around 17 bucks. Okay. Now, we still have to digest this information from the earnings though. So today's price action is going to be monumental in how price is going to trade and whether or not we definitely need to get rid of this price prediction. Okay, so here it is on the 330-minute chart. You guys can see that when the news came out for Palantir, it did dip the price, but it quickly came back up towards 1850, and now on this current 330-minute price bar, we're still seeing the sellers in the market. So that hasn't changed. The selling that came in since we started this price prediction is still there. Okay, look at that. Now, do you think price is going to obey this downtrend line, or do you think price is going to obey this ascending line? Because that's where the next best trade is going to be. Take a look at Palantir on the 2-day chart. You guys can even see it here. We have 9 hours and 15 minutes on this current 2-day price bar. And again, today, the daily price bar and the 2-day price bar, if we see the market in Palantir close on the low, then we need to be weak. We need to expect price to go lower in Palantir. Now, the reason why I held support around $17 is because of the high that came in on this 2-day price bar. And we definitely don't want to see the market in Palantir break that. We need to see them hold this level. So today is going to be crucial. It's going to be important for the buyers to convince us that they're still there buying Palantir. If they're not, then I'll be quick to tell you, look, I'm looking for the price to go down then. If the market doesn't want to move a certain direction, then I'm not going to be upset. I'm just going to continue to follow what everyone else is up to in the market. Okay. So if they're not going to hold $17, maybe the next area in Palantir that they're willing to hold is going to be around 16. Take a look at Palantir on the 3-day chart. Okay. Again, 9 hours and 14 minutes. Let's see how the market is going to fare on the trading action. Let's look at this on the 90-minute real quick. Yeah, we're definitely still seeing sellers enter the market in Palantir. Okay, so once the market opens in Palantir, if we're down here around $17 and buyers enter just like they did here and just like they did here, then we're still living to see another day for Palantir to go up. If they don't hold $17, I'm giving you a heads up right now, price will go down. I'm just saying. So as we quickly approach movement to the downside in Palantir, be on the lookout for that. Now, should we get rid of this price prediction right now? No, because we haven't received a definite confirmation that buyers are not buying around $17. We haven't seen it yet. Okay. But understand that that's the current direction that price is moving towards. Okay. That's the current movement into the market in Palantir is down. Okay. So this is how the market can invariably trade and move throughout today going into the rest of this trading week. Now, I may have to come in tomorrow after today's conclusion of trading to see whether or not we need to cut this price prediction out of the way. Because as of right now, the last couple of trading days, we haven't seen any indication that the buyers are there. Not one. Since I did my price prediction, the buyers have not shown up. So it tells me already that the prediction that we have on the chart is not right. And then it comes to the point that, okay, at what point do you need to say, I need to cut this position and play the opposite side of the market because I'm wrong right now. And we even saw weakness into the market in Palantir here on the 4th of August. Okay. Now, the reason why I'm not going to get rid of this price prediction here in Palantir right now is because I'm waiting to see if the market is going to begin a consolidation or trading range. So I got to give the market opportunity. All right, so I'm going to leave this alone. Let me go ahead and get rid of this trend line here in Palantir because I want us to focus in on these two areas, the downtrend and support. Now, that first area of support, we already hit that yesterday for Palantir. That will even be better if we see the market hold there, but I want to give us a little bit more cushion to around 16. Okay. So bring this down. And that's it. Okay, so let's see how the market works today, how it ends, the performance of the market to see whether or not Palantir is becoming more bullish. And the only way that you can tell that is that if the buyers buy. If they don't buy, price will come down to around $16. And then we need to come in and do another price prediction, looking for the market in Palantir to go down. All right, so I'm gonna leave it here. But as always, you're up. The comment section is open on this video to drop your prediction, your price target as to where you think Palantir is going to go now after earnings is released. How do you think the market's going to perceive the information from the earnings? Give me your thoughts. Hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.